You'll face a kung fu you can't even imagine.
J Break, dope D.O.D, free flow flavor. Hey yo, you fucking with the ghost of the North Coast. Here's a toast to the host with the most boast. It ain't about the clothes or the hoes, no. We straight dope like the meaning dirty dollars. I'm like a dirty cop, getting dirty top. Blow a hole in your skull like I'm Robocop. Bring 30 ops, 30 red dots. I'm more elusive than a nigga smoking 30 reps. Alec Baldwin came to bring the fire, now I'm storming. Niggas want a piece of me, I'm all in. See, that's a warning, you're gonna meet your maker. Dope D.O.D. a free flow flavor. Ghost of the North Coast. Ghost of the North Coast. Ghost of the North Coast. Ghost of the North Coast.
In 3 months' time, I'll be leaving. I am going to challenge them.
Master?
If I succeed, I will return. If I fail, never reveal your silver ninja identity. This is my fate, and mine only.
Let them do what they do, I do it my way. I'm on the roof with a bloody samurai blade. I think it's time that you pour a little sake, cause your crew has been missing since Friday. I'm a mix between Tenshu and Jubei Kajabe. I send you to hell with a one-way that I pay. So come at me sideways, I'll cut you up from the waist till your guts spray sideways. Ghost of the North Coast. Rim chopper, face covered by the shade of the Jingasa. As I kick in the door like Big Papa. One slice of the sword sure to split blubber. Pus leaks from your flesh, fresh sit popper. You need a skin doctor, I'm in the trees like an iguana. And I color the floor like copper and ketchup. Retrieve my reward from a dead drop. You will see stars in the